get the eggs ready, we have 2 eggs, salt, white pepper, a bowl, and a whisk. Salt, and a smaller pinch, a fraction of that, maybe 1/4 to 1/8 of that. So, now how do you know when they're smooth? That might look like a color, but notice how they're catching and they're staying on the whisk. Or figure 8, it's more efficient. I lift it, they're still holding on. Notice how there's nothing sticking. So now we have eggs that are ready to make our omelet. We have our egg seasoned with salt and white pepper, our side towel, non-stick Tuxton pan, spatula, clarified butter, and presentation plate. We'll turn on the heat to medium-high. Pan goes down. Notice it does not coat the entire pan. How do I know that it's hot enough? And make sure your pan is centered, not here, but right in the middle. I may take a little bit of my egg and it should bubble up instantly when I add it. There we go. All the eggs go in. Then we're going to go around the outside first and then scrape the sides. And go around the outside, scrape the sides. Shake the spatula. At this point, you can always pull it off. Give yourself a moment. Clean the edges.